Hey guys, welcome to Solutions Hub. Press the subscribe button and bell icon to get more updates on free online courses and course answer. Also follow us on Telegram, link is given into description. So guys, in this video we will see more than 10 Udemy courses which are paid one but you get at free of cost. I will provide you coupon code. That coupon code and course link is available on our description. So guys, let's get started. Before getting started, I request you please do subscribe our channel because in this channel we get daily Udemy free courses with coupon codes. Also in this channel we upload answers of Coursera courses and free course certificates. The first course is AMS Excel 2021, the complete introduction to Excel, Master Excel, Microsoft Excel, Learn MS Excel, Excel formulas, Excel chart, Excel function, using Excel 2016, Excel 2019. The rating of this course is 4.4 and already 1,73,000 students enrolled for that course. In this course, you will learn how to properly use Excel, understand different theories, concepts around Microsoft Excel, improve your Microsoft Excel skills. This course is completely free, only 2 days left at this price, and this course includes 3 hours on demand video, and at the end you get certificate of that course, and the coupon code and course link is available on our blog, and link of blog is given into description. The next course is Introduction to Domain Names and Web Hosting, Free Domain Name. Learn how domain name works and type of web hosting for any development project. The rating of this course is 4.9 and already 1525 students enrolled for that course. In that course you will learn how domain names work, how to conduct a phrase search, how to register domain using GoDaddy, the role of ICANN, types of domain, the role of domain register. This course is completely free, only 2 days left at this price, and this course includes 1 hour on demand video, full lifetime access on mobile and TV. At the end you get certificate of completion of that course. The next course is Data Engineer, Data Scientist, Power BI, Python, hands-on data interaction and manipulation. Already 4,820 students enrolled for that course, and in this course you will learn cleaning data, loading data, connecting to various data sources, exploring pandas data frames, debugging package, data modeling, extracting data, transforming data, data visualization, and creating. This course is also free, only 2 days left at this price, and this course includes 13.5 hours on demand video, 14 download resources, full lifetime access on mobile and TV. At then you get certificate of completion of that course, and the course link and coupon code are available on our blog, and link of blog is given into a description. The next course is Deep Web, the complete introduction to hidden web. Learn to navigate on deep web on a daily basis. The rating of this course is 3.8 and already 1,60,806 students enrolled for that course. And in this course you will learn, understand all the deep terminology and be able to have complete understanding of the theoretical part. Visit some basic deep web websites and learn where to find links for multiple deep web websites. Be able to access by yourself to deep web in complete safety for legal users. This course is completely free, only 2 days left at this price, and this course includes 2.5 hours on demand video, full lifetime access on mobile and TV. At the end you get certificate of that course. So guys, other remaining courses are also uploaded on our blog. Coupon code also uploaded. Link of blog is given into description. Please enroll for that all courses as soon as possible, because within 1 or 2 days all courses may be all course coupon codes may be expired. So please enroll for all courses as early as possible.